Hey guys, it's Ashley from Not a True Reviews, and today I'm unboxing PixParcel. This is a new one. So basically what PixParcel does is they are, you will either give them access to your Instagram if it's private, or they will just take, if it's public, your, I think it's your 5 most popular or most liked pictures each month, and then mail them to you as a print in a real tangible format. It's $7 monthly. Now for mine, obviously I'm going to link down below to my full blog review. I'll also link to my to PixParcel so you can check them out. But so if you guys know my Instagram, are familiar with it, it's not a personal account. There aren't like pictures of my life. I don't really share that because I do have quite a number of followers. It's all just boxes. If you guys follow me, you know that. That's where if you want to see a quick rundown of what's going on in subscription box land, you will find it. My light is being really weird right now. I don't know what's going on. You will find it there. So this is my 5 most liked pictures from either November or December. I don't know if they take it from the month prior or how that works. We're going to find out though. So let's see my 5 most liked boxes. All right. Thank you. Okay, so we have the Ipsy. So this is November because I did not get a December Ipsy. Then there is, oh my gosh, this is the one time I did Fab Kids and I posted a picture of my daughters in the Fab Kids clothes. Like very rarely ever do I share pictures of my kids, but you kids get love. And my daughter in the photo is so, look at her face, how disgruntled. She was not happy to be doing that at all. All right. Then we've got, what is this box? This is the Rose War Panty Power. And so there's that. There is, it looks like the ink kind of leaked onto these. Right here you see. So they stamped the backs and the ink, it looks like it's transferred. I don't know if that will come off or not. I'm going to try then. I'm going to try once I'm done making this video, because if I do it now, it's going to get all over everything. I was wondering, I was looking at my finger, I'm like, what is this stuff on my fingers? So this was With Love from Florida, which many of you guys were not fond of this box, I remember. So this is kind of fun because it's got a lot of memories attached to it. And then we have, so this was the Rose War Panty Power, I already said that one. And then we've got Derma E. Yeah, see, look at the ink on that one. Ugh, that's a bummer. I'm going to try to clean it off. So this was also, I love this picture. Isn't this a great photo? So if you follow me on Instagram, you get to see all these wonderful, great photos all the time. I'll link down below to my Instagram. So that is everything. If you have an account where you don't really, maybe you don't print out pictures a lot. I know I don't. If I do it, I have to go like out of my way to do it, and it's kind of a bummer. This is a great way to do that, and get pictures that you like of your kids or your family or whatever. And you don't even have to unprivate your account. You can just allow them to follow you, and they'll print out the pictures from there. So that's a good idea. Let me know what you guys think down below. I'm interested to hear your thoughts. I will link to my full blog review. I'll also link to PixParcel. As always, thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you next time. Bye.